How to withdraw money from GoCrypto app. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain how withdrawing money works on the GoCrypto app and why many people get confused about it. So, if you've been wondering how to cash out your GoCrypto balance, follow along step by step and I'll clear everything up. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the GoCrypto app on your phone. As you can see, my current balance is around 5K. Looks exciting, right? But here's the important part you need to know before looking for a withdrawal button. When you search for GoCrypto on the Play Store, you'll notice it's described as a crypto trading simulator. That means it's like a learning game. It lets you practice buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies without using real money and without any financial risk. All the coins, profits, and balances you see in GoCrypto are completely virtual. There's no real cash behind them. Because of this, there's no option to withdraw your GoCrypto balance to your bank account or crypto wallet. It's strictly for learning and practicing trading strategies, not for earning real profits. Even though you can trade and see your balance grow in the app, it's all simulated. I double-checked this online, and it's confirmed everywhere. GoCrypto is a practice tool, not a real exchange. So if you were trying to figure out how to cash out, now you know the truth. GoCrypto is awesome for beginners who want to learn about cryptocurrency trading safely, but the money you make stays in the app. And that's it. If you have any questions about GoCrypto or other trading platforms, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. If this video helped clear things up, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.